Alright, so hopefully you watched part 1 where I showed all the parts and everything. So now I'm actually going to start putting this thing together, and the first thing I like to do is put in the processors. So I'm actually gonna just pop these open very carefully. Let's see, which way does it go? Here we go. Gotta make sure they go in the right way. Oops. Alright, so those are in there, good. Let's see here. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the heat sinks on, but before I do that, I gotta apply some thermal paste. If you don't know what this is just, it's a silicone and aluminum paste that you put on the processor. It creates a better transfer of heat from the processor to the heat sink to cool it down better. I know they say you're supposed to like spread a thin layer over it, but my way works just as good. I've been doing this for a while and it's never been a problem, so I'm gonna do it my way. I just put a big glob in the middle. Like that. And let me grab my heatsink over here. Crazy camera work. I'm just going to drop my heatsink right down onto it. This is going to be very awkward with... Okay, I'm going to try holding the camera under my chin. This is going to be really weird. Hopefully you can see this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Put it on there. Alright. Let me just see if that spread the paste good enough. That's good enough. Okay. Now, this is being troublesome here. Alright, screws. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Okay, and 4. Alright. Let me screw this in real quick. If you can't tell already, this video is probably going to be in many parts because I doubt I can cram everything into 10 minutes. God, it takes a minute just to screw in one freaking screw. Maybe not a minute, but you know what I mean. This is very weird to do with one hand. There's a lot of dust. Not in the computer, I mean in my room. No dust in here. Oh my gosh, just go in straight, please. Thank you. We're almost there, folks. Sorry it's taking so long. The other CPU cooler thing does not take nearly as long to put on. because the screws are shorter, I can see. Oh my gosh. Okay, last one. Last one. Please don't be a pain. Okay. Alright. That is securely on there. Next, CPU cooler. Oh, God. Okay. That one should just pop right on there. I'm just making sure that all the CPU cooler compound grease stuff is all spread around good enough. And it appears to be. So let's continue. These screws shouldn't take nearly as long. Three and 4. Excellent. Now, here's the problem. I noticed right away when checking out this motherboard, I have no idea where I'm supposed to plug in this fan. There's nothing. There's no port anywhere where I can plug this in. I'm hoping that's not going to be too much of an issue because it has this giant fan right here that's supposed to blow on the heat sinks. The thing is, this heatsink was designed for this fan that goes above it, so it's not very big. I'm hoping it's not going to be too much of an issue though. We'll see. I'm just going to kind of wrap this cord around like this, just so it doesn't get in the way. But yeah, I'm hoping that's not going to be a problem. It shouldn't be too bad, I guess, because it has a ridiculously giant fan right here. And a fan on this side to suck the air out, so we'll see. But anyways, wow, we're at 8 minutes already. That was probably the hardest part of the whole thing right there. I'm going to cut off this video and please watch part 3 while I put in the rest, so you can see me put in the rest of this stuff. Alrighty, watch part 3.